Dracula. I get your blood, now you're done. You afterwards. Throw you in the garbage can, you're nothing. Yeah, I figured you like you was something. I killed you, you nobody. Not the me, I kill you. You're dead if I see you in the streets. Oh yeah, I'll eat you in half like I'm a beast. You ain't ready, cause I'm like a sesame seed. I'm all over it, you ain't ready. I keep it good, you ain't even ready. Are you understood? Do you need a teacher, a tutor? You're not ready, cause I get you. You nothing, you get schooled and you nobody me. Cause I'm the king, I'm the AKA vocabulary man. Do you know what I mean? I get you killed right on the scene. Nobody. Get somebody gone and clean like a maid. You're nobody. You heard what I said? Yeah, I put all you poopies up in the bed, in the hospital. I don't care. Get right out before you medical bill. Yeah, see you down south. You ain't ready because I'm gonna go up. You nobody. You going down. That's what's up.
Yeah, yeah, get him, yeah. Okay, tell him who you is, cuzzo.
Oh, I'm too long up there, you know, you gotta keep it straight, you know. I gotta stay away, you know.
Okay, boy, this made by El Rico, aka the Fat Man, you know what I'm saying. Get at your boy.